Let me just have a little seat. That's right. Get ready and action. Do you like sidecars? Yeah, me too. And if you do, you'll probably like today's cocktail. It's called, what's it called again? It's called Between the Sheets. There you go. It's not as well known, but just like the sidecar, it has been around for, I would say, well over 100 years. Pretty cool, right? So I think it deserves its time in the spotlight. This spotlight. Bing! Gotta make it today. Very exciting. The Between the Sheets was most likely created at Harry's Bar in Paris in the 1920s or so, just like a lot of other classic cocktails from that era. I also found the cocktail in the Savoy Cocktail Book. And if you're not familiar with the Savoy, it's a luxury hotel in London that's been around forever. And the bar in there is called the American Bar. I also find the name of the cocktail pretty interesting, or a little funny, you know, Between the Sheets. And I heard, or I read somewhere, I didn't hear it, but I read it somewhere that apparently they used to serve this cocktail for the hardworking ladies in the brothels of Paris. Kind of fitting if you ask me. And the ingredients are rum. I'm using an aged rum from Panama. I think the original recipe calls for light rum, but I chose to use this just because the other spirits that I'm using are also aged. So I thought that would go better. Anyway, so rum, cognac, triple sec or orange liqueur of some sort, and some fresh lemon juice. All right, let's make this bad boy. We're gonna start with our rum, 3/4 ounce of this. And the cognac, 3/4 ounce. I think the kids are killing each other outside. Awesome. 1 ounce of your dry Curacao. And 3/4 ounce of your fresh lemon juice. All right, now we're gonna get some ice for this. You have the ice, give it a good hard shake because we're gonna serve this cocktail up, and we won't dilute it with anything else. So we want it chilled and ready to go after we shake it. I'm gonna double strain it to catch all the little ice pieces of ice. And gonna garnish it with a lemon twist. You could also do an orange twist if you want. And there we have it, the Between the Sheets. Let's give it a try. I say, why not? Give it a go. It's citrusy, refreshing. You get the orange in there. To be honest, it's a little hard to differentiate the cognac from the rum in there, but you know, the aged spirit is definitely there. So it's a good one to know, and especially if you have guests asking for, you know, a core survivor or a pendennis or a sidecar, try them this, because most likely they haven't had it. And you know, why not? Introduce them to something new. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know, a little rhyme for you there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, for making it this far, thus far. I will see you next week, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Namaste. That's good. Yes. Damn it, who put that there? There's some kids playing outside. Hey kids, you want some cocktails? Make you some drinks. Maybe you'll shut the beep up. I seriously want to go out and punch these kids because they're screaming constantly. Pull a Homer Simpson on Bart Simpson, you know, just like that. Shut up. Good night.